Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two pet insurance platform, which is Trupanion and Palmpay. So let's dive into it. So talking about Trupanion is known for its strong coverage, offering unlimited lifetime payout, a fixed 90% reimbursement rate, and direct payout to vet, so you don't have to wait for reimbursement. It also covers hereditary conditions and allow heart unlike alternative therapies, making it a reliable choice for pet owners who want complete peace of mind. So also talking about Palmpay on the other hand is a more strong affordable option with plans starting as low as $9 per month for dogs and $6 for cats. It offers a flexible deductibles, customizable reimbursement rate, and optional wellness coverage, giving pet owners more control over pricing and benefit. So if you want a maximum protection and convenience, Trupanion is the best choice, but if cost and flexibility are more important, Palmpay is the smarter decision or pick in that aspect too. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.